Oh, hello guys. So today we're going to talk about Galileo Galilei. So, he talked about a lot of stuff, but today in this video we're going to talk about the main three things. He's talked about geocentric models and heliocentric models, the scientific method, and laws of motion also. So we're going to start with geocentric model. We first need to understand it. So geocentric model is a model that represents that Earth is in the center of the universe and everything rotates around it. The heliocentric model is a model that where the sun is in the center and all the objects in our solar system orbit around the sun. So he proved that the heliocentric model is correct. He proved the heliocentric model is correct, and the geocentric model is wrong. Why is that? He did that by building telescopes and observing the planets in the sky. He was really good at building telescopes, so he built like a nice powerful telescope to look up at the sky at night. So we found out that Jupiter has many moons, and all those moons orbit around Jupiter. I thought to myself, everyone says that this model, where the Earth is in the center of the universe, everything orbits around the Earth. Now Jupiter's moon's orbiting it. So we had some more glimpses of the sky at each planet, and he found out that the sun was in the center of the universe, but the sun was in the center, and all the planets orbit around. I'm at Pisa, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and this is his birthplace, Pisa, and he was born in the 17th century. He was a very old man. Okay, so now to the next part, scientific method. So he found about the scientific method where he need to have a question for the hypothesis, experiment, and remember keep your variables the same in experiment, a conclusion, a paper, slap all your stuff on the board, and a school where you can present it. So this was his scientific method. Okay, now so he found the scientific method. So now the last thing was about like laws of motion. Everybody knows that Isaac Newton found the laws of motion, the 3 laws of motion, but you're wrong. Galileo was the first person before Isaac Newton found that one of the laws of motion. He found out that everything pulled to Earth is being pulled by the same acceleration. So you and me being pulled to the Earth by the same acceleration and everything else. So he found these 3 things. He wrote a book about the heliocentric model is correct. He wrote a book about it, and he was arrested for it because people at that time were not open for science, were not open in believing in science, and they just wanted to know one thing. They didn't want any rumors to come in. So he was arrested and he stayed in jail for the rest of his life, and he was dead. And he died in jail. Alright, so I'm at the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was educational, and I hope that you understand that the Leaning Tower of Pisa is just not a tower that's about to fall any second now, but it's a place where many things were discovered and proven to be right. Thank you, and good luck of life.